Good morning to all of you. In this video, we will focus on the next topic of light, that is the refraction of light. In last video, we discussed on reflection, and in this video, refraction of light. So the definition of refraction of light we may be described as the transmission of light through an object in which light bends at the boundary of the two media. When the light travels from one media to another media, its speed changes and it bends. Suppose that a ray of light travels from air to the glass, from rarer to the denser medium, its bend towards the normal and its speed decreases. And again this one moving from denser to rarer, glass to air, its speed increases and it bends away from the normal. First case. Second case. Now the question arises, how this one occur? The change in speed and the change in direction of light. So just we try to understand this phenomena by the help of this one concept. And the concept is, suppose that we have a cart is in rest condition in concrete. First medium is concrete and second medium is grass. When we apply the constant force on the cart, it will try to move and move in the direction of applying force. And suppose that this one constant enter from one medium to another medium, its speed decreases when it enters from concrete to the grass, because the grass have more resistance compared to the concrete. Therefore, speed of cart reduce. Again repeating, the grass have more resistance and the concrete have relatively low resistance. So the speed of the cart decreases. Apply this concept in light. When the ray of light, this one is a normal line. When the ray of light passing from one medium to another medium, its speed decreases. From air to glass, the glass have more resistance, denser medium, therefore its speed decreases. And second concept, when apply the force, the cart moving obliquely, and when enter from concrete to the grass medium, its speed decreases and also the position, direction also changes. Apply the external force, move, 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 again move, and this one. The one wheel of the cart enter in the grass first, and other remain at concrete. So the grass have more resistance, therefore speed of the wheel decreases, and the concrete, those wheel which are on the concrete, they have the same speed. They have the same speed. And due to the difference in speed of the wheels, it change the direction and also change the speed. The change of speed means decreases in speed. Its speed decrease. Again watch this one. obliquely move and enter in glass medium, its direction and speed both changes. So in optically rarer, that is the air, ray of light enter, its direction changes and its move towards normal. Its speed slow and move towards normal. From optically rarer to optically denser, air to glass, and again this one emergent. Now emergent from optically denser to optically air. Come in last concept. Now from the glass to concrete medium. Its speed increases and direction changes. Try to understand by same concept, wheel concept. This wheel enter first to the concrete, therefore its speed increases. The speed of this one wheel increases due to the less friction, more faster, and this will remain same speed, relatively slower, and due to this one it change the direction and move faster, change the direction and move faster, so therefore away from the normal and its speed increases. This one is the totally reverse of the first phenomena. So apply this concept again in your light when we try to emergent from optically denser medium to optically rarer medium, glass to air. Direction changes is away from the normal line and its speed increases again. This one. So this one is the whole concept of light when the light enter from rarer to denser medium and denser to again rarer medium. When enter from glass to the concrete, not obliquely, in a straight direction. Okay. From glass to air, glass is as like grass and air is considered as like concrete. Okay. There are not any change in direction, its speed increases from denser to rarer medium. So it was the basic concept of refraction, bending of light from one medium to another medium. By the help of this concept, we will try to understand the concept of Snell's law in next video. Thanks to all.